Here's a review of Thomas & Friends Percy engine by Lionel Trains. Percy is one of Thomas's friends on the island of Sodor. This is made by Lionel Trains and is transformer controlled for forward, neutral, and reverse operation, powerful maintenance-free motor, operating coupler on rear of locomotive, electronic horn, traction tires, moving eyes, and also has a set of 3 removable faces. You could switch the faces and decide what mood Percy's in. The Percy engine is traditional O gauge. Its minimum curve is 0.27 and it's approximately 7 inches long. And it came out in 2012. It also has a removable roof where you could put the whistle on and off, or you could change the direction to on or off. Thanks for watching.